the concept cycle. This is how I believe each entity within our grand system will work within each other and flow from one to the next to create a full cycle within the system. So we start off with the supermarket. People first have to buy their groceries, which means they go to the store itself. Then you have to buy the products. Now, this is where the product packaging comes into play. I believe by using biodegradable materials, we are forcing a change. Ignorance is not bliss. It is killing our environment and many lives. Therefore, we need to create change through our design. PLA is a biodegradable and renewable resource. It is made from materials such as cornstarch and sugarcane. It's a natural polymer and is designed to substitute widely used plastics, for example, PETE. After 80 days, this PLA is completely biodegraded, which means it reduces pollution. Now, looking into the labels on the packaging, we could also look at alternative biodegradable material. By using seeds within the designed packaging or labels, we are not only creating an alternative food source, we are giving people more accessibility to food that is organic and high in nutrients. Looking into the recycling and the food waste collection machines, the collected recycled materials can then be used to make parts for our structure of the greenhouse. The collected paper or cardboard can be used to create biodegradable pot plants that can then be used within the greenhouse, and the food waste can be used as compost for the little seedlings to grow within our greenhouse as well. Looking at the pollution reduction within our system, there will be less litter, which is then less harmful to the environment and animals, less pollution from the farm and agricultural production, less pollution from the industries. Therefore, we are reducing climate change risks and increasing food production rates. Now, if we look at the greenhouse that we're wanting to create, we will be growing healthy and nutritional food. The greenhouse also prevents the air pollution from contaminating the food source, and the greenhouse protects the plants from extreme weather conditions. Plants and food resource. Looking into how our project links to the food accessibility is that our project will aim to provide a food source from the supermarket, a food source from the community greenhouse, and a food source from the seeds in the packaging. People can recycle and get money back from the recycling machine, which they can use to then pay for their food. People can grow their own food in the community greenhouse, or people can grow their food in their comfort of their own home or living space via the seeds in the packaging. Then people have to go back to the supermarket. So, now that I've gone into all the small details, let's take a look at the broad picture. People have to go to the supermarket to buy groceries, so why not redesign the supermarket? When a person comes to our supermarket, they will be buying the packaging and their food. They will then go home with all of their packaging, finish their things, and when they need to come back to the supermarket to buy more groceries, they will bring back their empty packaging. If they haven't already planted their seeds from their packaging labels, they can plant it and have a chance to grow their own garden in the community greenhouse. The users can also take their empty packaging and use the recycling machine to recycle them. For every bottle or every product they put into the recycling machine, they get a coupon or points back, which they can then use in our supermarket to get a discount on their food. They can also then put their food waste into the food waste collection machine and also get points back from that. After using their coupons in store when shopping and getting a discount on their food, they then leave after buying all of their groceries, and the cycle then happens again.